Alrighty, now we're back in. This is the POS I was talking about. I'm gonna just run through a little demo of it just so you get a look at what it looks like. I've installed this at a few different restaurants. It's actually a nice program. But we'll start with the manager login to set tools because I don't think, if I remember correctly, employees cannot access the manager menu. So you do have to be a manager or logged in with a manager code, unless you want to set permissions for certain employees to be able to do so. So you will go to Tools and Banks, create a new tool. This is also where you can add money to it, drop money, paid out, close, reconcile, or print reports. Opening cash. So for example, we usually do it 220. I'm using a keyboard, but normally on a touch screen you would actually just touch these in. So you would hit that, and then staff member, assign it to an employee. Cash drawer, so this would be probably a front bar or a back bar, or if you have two registers at your front, then it would be one of those. Hit OK. Oop, I don't know what that was. File save to. Okay. Basically just for the drawer. So that's now open. We can actually do some business. So now I'm going to close out of here. I'll log out as a manager, and that way the employee can then log in and start doing orders. So this would be a patron. Hit that, and there you have your main menu. So say we'll go ahead and hit this real quick. You can add a name for your customers. That way they all have their own separate tabs. He wants 2 Bud Lights, and he's going to do a top shelf drink. There's $14.50, no taxes, of course. But let's say you have another one walk up. So for the time being, we're done with this one. We'll leave it in the background, and then we have a new one. So go ahead and take this one. Let's say it's Mr. Henry. Oop, there we go. Henry. Let's see, he's going to do a Budweiser. I'll leave his in the background. So now you have multiple tickets in the background, or tabs. You can pull them up easily just by hitting View Tickets here. Let's say your first one, Mr. Jones, wanted to go ahead and pay for his. So we'll go ahead and show the ticket. Oop. Well, not show. Sorry, my bad. We'll go ahead and hit View, and it will show everything that's on it. So if he's paying by card, you can go to the credit card terminal and run it. And let's say he is going to use that. So we'll hit Pay. He's going to pay by credit card. And it's going to be $14.50. Just hit OK. And we're done with that one. Hit no receipt, since you don't need a receipt for it. Mr. Henry's back, so let's go ahead and edit this order. And apparently he's putting another Budweiser on there. Oh yeah, and this is another place where the discounts and all that kind of stuff can come into play. You can do a manager complimentary, employee discounts, waste. I don't know if, let's see, if it can be done. Oh yeah, can't be done by a bartender. So then you'll go back to the main menu, hit log out, log in as a manager, and then you would be able to go in, unless you wanted to give certain privileges for them to be able to do that. So then you would go in this way and do it. Discount. Let's see, manager. Code. Oh, there it is. Select all, apply discount. Oh wow, override. It says denied override. Okay. Apparently discounts would have to be set up So let's say wants to go ahead and pay this out, pay it in cash. Then you got little quick shortcuts. If he's paying with a $10 bill, then you would hit OK. It would pop the cash register drawer open, and there would be that. And then you can either put it on hold, even though you have no reason to now because it's already closed out, or just hit done. No receipt. Change due will pop up and tell you how much to get back. And you're done with that one. As for, oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys, let's see, new order for our Patreon. Basically just the whole different ones. I put the prices in them. Yeah, I'm going by an actual bar at work at, well, some of the prices at least. Oh wow, $52.75 for everything on that menu. But yeah, that would be your main menu. I mean, you got plenty of room to add different options, food, drinks. Let's see. Wow, are you sure you want to order 6? You can discard them, but if you do, then it does show on the reports. Oh, which we'll go ahead and go to that. And only managers can usually, I can make it to where only managers can exit this program. So basically that button will not be there. But let's say, go to the office manager. Then you have the reports, and this can run on a whole separate computer. Like basically, usually in a back office is where this program will run all the time. Where you can go in and look at all your reports. Let's see, general, or not general, financial. Yeah, let's say we want to do a report for hourly sales. Let's look at that one. We had 2 orders today for a gross total sales of $21 in the past hour. You got flash reports, labor costs, order lists. I don't know if that's gonna. Yeah, there it goes. Order list will show you everybody you had for that day and the total. I mean, there's like an abundance of different reports you can look at. I know usually with most places, there's only a couple that you even need to ever look at. Till and bank detail. You put the till and bank detail, any open tools. There's that no sale, the one that got crossed out of there. Oh no, that was a different one. Yep, it shows the open, a payment on it, and then the other payment, change. So now that till should have a closing of $241. I guess we could do that. Close it out for the day. Oop, wrong one. It's the back office. Alright, so I'm going to log in and I'm going to close the till for the day. Close day. Click yes, the day will be. Oh, wait. I'm going to close it here. Are you sure till 1 for Corey Steele on front bar should be closed? Yes. There's that. And the reconciliation. So what I say it should be $241, which that receipt just went to my documents. Pull that really quick. And I have a lot of files. Is it this one? Nope. That's not it. Oh no. Where it keeps saving these PDFs. Oh, here it is. Still printing. No wonder. Yo. See, if I had a printer working, I would have it right in front of me. But I think it was 241 is what the program said it was. Nope, that's not Yeah, it's supposed to be 241. So if I put that it was, I'm gonna put that it was balanced. There we go. And there's the also where you can print the reports. But that's pretty much all there is to it. No sale, so you still have that as well. Pretty nifty program, especially not really costing anything, or it doesn't cost anything.